Taylor. Trying to drink my water with lime. So I was on my way to the truck and we had to make a pit stop. And when we make pit stops, and my lady is making a pit stop, it's a real thing. Like, we gotta really wait.
For 24 hours.
How long, Jada?
24 hours.
Yeah, it always seems, it's always long. Dayla aggravated, and the girls also don't want to sit. So we gotta wait. And wait. And wait and wait and wait. And wait. And wait and wait and wait. Alright, so we finally made it out here. And let's check out the bed of the truck. Well, not even the bed, the frame of the truck. Did a wonderful job cutting, I can tell you that. He got it all off too. And what I'm gonna do is I think what I'm gonna do I'm gonna get some stuff to clean up some of this rust, clean up some of most of these rusty spots, put my fifth wheel on here, and go from there, man. Did a wonderful job cutting. So what he did was cut around the end of it. If I can keep my lights, I can keep all this in case I want to end up pulling some type of mobile home or something. I still got a ball on there, stuff like that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get new airbags. Might end up getting new shorts just cause. But then again, I don't know. I might just leave everything. Look at that grasshopper right there. Thing almost bigger than me. But I'm gonna get new tires and all that other stuff. That's just the update. If I can get Mary Lee on the road. Her name is Mary Lee. But yes, sir. So just a little update. Just a little update on the body. We still got things to do, work to get done. So that's just an update for you guys. And thank y'all for watching.